guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Coupon with Niche. If you are new here, welcome. I show you all how to save money on everyday essential items. We are currently at Publix and I'm going to do their preview ad that is valid from 7/1 to 7/7. When I say that Publix is like on fire this week, y'all, like we have Dove deals, we have baby deals, we have BOGO, we have repeat deals. Like it is just absolutely insane. So I'm going to show you all the deals that they have, but of course make sure you give me a follow and like this video. That way you are saving more and stressing less. But let's go ahead and go. So when I first go inside of Publix, I always go to the information center because they have their extra savings flyer right here, and sometimes we do have some paper coupons that we can use. If you're my 4th of July condiments that we will have on sale, it's going to be our ketchup. They are going to be buy one get one free. Original price is $6.69. You're going to pick up a total of 3 of them. 3 of them at the pre-sale price is $20.07. Divide that in half, which will bring you down to $10.03. But we have a 3 off of $15 coupon that will still apply, making our final cost for 3 just $7.03. Another deal that we have is going to be on our mayonnaise. The mayonnaise is going to be on the larger ones this week. So this is going to be your 30-ounce jars. They are originally $7.75. If you're in a half BOGO state, pick up one of them for $3.87. Clip this $2 coupon and you're only left to pay $1.87 out of pocket. One of the deals that Publix is rolling back is going to be on our Bush's baked beans. They are 2 for $5 this week, and next week they will be 2 for $5 as well. We have a $1 coupon on these, making them just 2 for $4, or about $2 a piece. In addition to some of the sauces that we will have on BOGO, we will also have some of our easy foil pans. They are going to be buy one get one free. This is really good, especially if you're having any type of cookouts. You can put them in these. They have lids, and you can even throw them away afterwards. A few healthier options you can choose from will be our watermelon chunks. They will be buy one get one free. This includes our small, medium, and large containers, so that is also a great option to do. Some other fruit options you can choose from will be our strawberries. I know this week they were BOGO, but they are actually going to be 3 for $10 this upcoming week. Our blueberries, however, will still be 2 for $10, so this is still going to be a good deal. You can make you a little fruit salad with the watermelon, strawberry, and blueberry combo. But y'all, this is going to be a pretty good deal that we can do. Our Simply Lemonade will be 2 for $5, so this is going to be really good, especially if you want to make you like a little refreshing drink. We also will have some of our salads. They are going to be 2 for $6, and then we also will have some of our corn. They are 3 for $5, so it is going to be on our individual ones. I don't see them out, but they will be on the individual corn. So those are just a few options that you could do that are a little bit more on the healthier side. Our Cheez-Its will be buy one get one free. Now this is going to be available on the pantry size as well as the Cheez-It Crunch. We are going to do the breakdown for each one. So we are going to pick up 4 of these Cheez-Its pantry size. They are $4.02 originally, but the BOGO price for 4 will be $8.04. You are going to clip this 3 off of 4 coupon. You're going to be left to just pay $5.04 out of pocket, which is about $1.26 each. Cheez-It Crunch is also going to be part of that BOGO deal. They are priced at $4.02 originally. We are going to pick up a total of 5 of them, and we are going to clip this $3 off of 4 coupon and this $1 off of 1 coupon. Once all of our coupons are clipped for all 5, we're only paying $6.05 out of pocket, which is about $1.21 each. Let me know in the comments, have y'all had these Cheez-It Crunch? I feel like they're always creating something new. Our Capri Suns are going to be BOGO again. Y'all, this was a hot commodity this past week, so if you did not get a chance to do this deal, you could do it this upcoming week, but they are originally priced at $4.49. Will be BOGO, and we have a 5 off a $30 coupon, so pick up a total of 7 of them if you're in a half BOGO state. Your cost will be $31.43. You would divide that in half, which will bring you down to $15.71, and then that $5 will come off of that, bringing you to only pay $10.71 out of pocket, which is about $8.53 each. So this is a really good deal. Time to stock up for your kids, especially with them being out of school or even for back to school. So really good deal that you could do. If you are needing tissue products or pigment supplies products, we do have a few decent deals that you can do on those, like this Angel Soft, the 4 mega 16 regular rolls. They will be buy one get one free starting tomorrow. Original price is $5.19. You are going to pick up 1 of them for just $2.59. Clip this 50-cent coupon, being left to pay just $2.09 out of pocket. Now we also will have some of our picnic supplies, which I'm super excited about. Some of those deals are a repeat, but I'm just going to kind kind of break it down for you. Like, of course, you guys, we will have these Vanity Fair napkins. They're going to be buy one, get one free again. We also will have our Chinate, I think they're all the way at the bottom. We'll have our Chinate plates. They are going to be buy one, get one free. They are already buy one, get one free. So if you had a chance to pick them up, that's great. If you did not, you could pick those up. We also will have these Solo plastic cups. They are going to be buy one, get one free. I cannot wait to stock up on these because y'all already know the less that I have to clean up, the best. So definitely going to be picking this up, especially with 4th of July right around the corner. I am having a cookout, unfortunately, so I am going to grab those. But these are just a few of the good deals that you can do. If you all are loving the deals so far, go ahead and put green hearts in the comment. But you guys, this next deal is about to be amazing. If you all need any type of laundry care products, this is going to be the deal that you want to do. So our Arm & Hammer is going to be buy one, get one free. You're going to look at the ones that are priced at $12.39. Pick up 2 of them. Our pre-sale price will be $24.78. You would divide that in half, which will bring you back down to $12.39. And you're going to clip this 5 off a $20 coupon. We're going to be left to pay $7.39 at the register, but we are going to go over to Ibotta to get $6 back. We have $3 back on each one, which is a limit up to 2 times, but it will make our final cost just $8.39. If you all do not like the Arm & Hammer deal, you all can do the Purex. It is going to be priced at $8.29, and it's going to be BOGO. Now, we don't have any coupons or any Ibotta offers, but if you like Purex, this is going to be a really good deal because you can grab 2 of them for the price of 1. This is also going to be valid on our Purex pack. So let me know in the comments, which team are you on when it comes to laundry? Are you team Gain? Are you team Tide? Are you team whatever is on sale? An amazing toothpaste deal that we will have is going to be on our Arm & Hammer toothpaste. They are originally priced at $4.99. We are going to pick up a total of 5 of them. 5 of them will cost us $24.95 at the pre-sale price. We are dividing that in half, bringing us to $12.47. Then we're going to clip this 5 off a $20 coupon, bringing us to only pay $7.47 for all 5. Now, we will have our Colgate toothpaste, the Optic White. It is going to be BOGO. I don't see any digital coupons as of yet. You may have some if you have not used it already, but this could also be a really good deal. We also will have our TRESemmé hair products. They are going to be 2 for $6 for our shampoo and conditioner, and when we spend $15 worth, we will get $5 off automatically. That is a Publix promotion. It is not a digital coupon, but if you pick up a total of 3 of them at the $12 price, 2 will be $12 and then 1 will be $6. That will bring you to $18. We have that $5 we're getting off, and we have a $2 off coupon, leaving us to pay just $11 for all 3, or about $3.66 each. Y'all know I'm a Dove girly through and through, so this next deal I'm definitely going to do. But our Dove body wash is going to be on sale for $7.99. And when we spend $15, we're going to get $5 off. That is a Publix promotion, so it's not a digital coupon. Now, we are going to look at the FIFA ones that are priced at $7.99 starting tomorrow. Pick up 2 of them for $15.98, and then you're going to get that $5 off automatically. And we have a $8 off the 2 coupon that you could use on this, making our final cost just $2.98. If you do the regular Dove, we don't have any digital coupons, but it will make your total for 2 just $10.98. So still a really good deal if you ask me. I'm going to do it regardless. We will have our Pamper Easy Ups. They are going to be on this promotion that when you pick up 2 of them, you will get $5 off. So we are going to look at the ones that are priced at $12.99. If you all have not clipped this 10 off a $35 coupon, go ahead and clip that. But you are going to pick up a total of 3 of them. 3 will cost you $38.97. You'll get that $5 off of 2, and then you have that $10 off coupon, leaving you to only pay $23.97 for all 3. Now, that 10 off of 35 is valid on all of the Pampers, so if you see a better deal that you want to do, you can do that. But we also will have our $5 off coming off of our wipes as well. So if you want to do a little combination, you can, but such a really good deal you could do. The second deal that you can do is on our Pamper Splashers. Unfortunately, my store is out of stock, but you would pick up a total of 3 of them at the pre-sale price. That will be $35.98. They will be on BOGO starting tomorrow. Once you divide that in half, your total will be $17.98. And then that 10 off a $35 coupon will come off, leaving you to only pay $7.98 for 3, or about $2.66 each. So y'all, we have some really good baby deals that you could do, either the Easy Up, the Ninjas, the wipes, or you could do these Pamper Splashers. But you can only use that 10 off a $35 coupon once. So please keep that in mind. You can try to combine some of your deals if you would like. So if you want to do 2 of the Easy Ups to get that $5 off, and then the Pamper Splashers, that is going to be an amazing way to maximize your savings. We will have our Ore-Ida French fries. They're going to be buy one, get one free. We are going to look at the ones that are priced at $4.79. You guys, they're attaching to that 5 off a $30 coupon. So you're going to pick up a total of 7 of them. 7 of them at the pre-sale price is $33.53. Divide that in half, that brings you to $16.76, and then that $5 will come off, leaving you to only pay $11.76 out of pocket. Now, if you all want to do this plus your Capri Suns, you can. I'm going to show you all a deal tomorrow where you can combine both of them and still use that 5 off a $30 coupon. A few drink options that you can do is going to be on our Coca-Cola 6-packs. They will be buy 2, get 2 for free. On our 12-packs, they will also be buy 2, get 2 for free. Our 6-pack of Pepsi products will be buy 2, get 2 for free. We do have that $3 off of 4 coupon that you can use. It will make our final cost for all 4 of them just $15.98, or about $3.99 each. Some other things you want to look out for is going to be on our meats. We will have some pretty decent deals on our meats, but one in particular is the Farmer Focus Organic Free Range Party Wings. They're going to be buy one, get one free. Now, looking right here, typically on these end caps, they put like really good deals or like BOGO deals. So we should have some of our burgers and some of our Nathan hot dogs. They are going to be, I know that Nathan's in particular is going to be buy one, get one free. I don't know what this deal is going to be. Hopefully it is buy one, get one free, because that'll be a good deal. We will also have some of our Jamaican jerk chicken breast skewers. They will be on some type of deal. I will go through all of this tomorrow, but this is just stuff you need to look out for. That completes the Publix deals that we have for this upcoming week. I will be doing a full video starting tomorrow when the deals are live. But if you all are not following me, go ahead and follow me, because I do post daily deals. That way you are saving more and stressing less.